If you guys couldn't hear me, I said hello, guys.
Yuri boy, huwaman na sa kayo, Yuri boy.
I'm gonna get banned from TikTok if you do that. Guys, don't listen to him. Don't follow him. Guys, do you know one time he showed a bad finger in TikTok and then he instantly got banned. So, guys, look, why is there a lot of rocks? Guys, I see a spider. Guys, comment if you're scared of spiders, because I am scared. But I did not run because it was small. Guys, you want to see my bamboo stick? I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, look at my bamboo sticks. Ha! I'm just joking, guys. I was just putting like this, no force. Joking. Okay. And also, YouTube, don't ban me again. Because, guys, do you know in my last cell phone I got banned? Because I keep on doing that. And now I learned my lesson, so I just put no force. Just like this. Just like about like this. See? Not to do. Anyways, guys, I think the video is half, I think. It's already half. Guys, do you think I should end this video or no, I don't want to? Yeah, I don't want to. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, I forgot to wash this. Guys, the video is almost done, so bye. Oh. Bye bye. That's off the video.